Hey everyone.
Hey guys.
Okay, EJ. Well, starting with the first thing that we do every day is spell our names. So, you spell your name at home and we spell our names here. And we will be spelling EJ's name. So, what is EJ's first name? Does anybody know what is EJ's first name? Oh, I know what EJ's first name is. It's Edward.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, so how do you spell Edward? You spell it like this. E D W A. I can't hear you. R D. Edward. Edward is your first name. Edward. Okay, so let's get back to the book. So the first word you're going to learn is the word I. But technically, I isn't a word. It's a letter. So, when you see I in this book, say I. So, the first sentence says, I feel worried. And you see the face looks worried. Show me a worried face, EJ. Show me a worried face. Worried. Yeah. Okay. So, let's spell it out for you guys, okay? All right. So, the first word we're going to be learning is the word I. But some of you may know the alphabet already. So, you know, this is the letter I. The one that's squared in red. So, every time you see I in the sentence, you say I. Okay, go ahead and read it, EJ.
I feel.
Yes.
I feel water.
Good job.
Right.
Okay, class.
Hi,
Now we're going to
Hi,
learn. Now we're going to learn about the word feel. So, how do you spell feel? You spell feel like this. Okay, so this is how you write the word. This is how you write the word feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. And you could see it again in this sentence. I feel. So now you know the word I, and now you know the word feel. What is this word? This word is worried.
No water.
So, now that you know I and feel, let's read the book now. All right. Read. Read, EJ.
I feel water.
Good job. Okay, next page. Okay, read.
I feel
Goofy. Yes, good job. Okay, next page. Okay, go ahead and read, AJ.
I
Feel, Scared. Good job. Yes. right, what's this one?
I
Uh-huh.
feel
Uh-huh.
sick.
Sick. Good job. Yes, you feel sick. Okay, next page. Read it.
I
Uh-huh.
feel
Mm-hmm.
happy.
Happy. Good job. You're doing amazing, EJ. Okay. Uh-oh, what's this one? Come on, read it.
I
Uh-huh.
feel.
Uh-huh.
Whoa! That man!
Oh, you remember Dad being mad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, whoa.
Okay. Next page. Ooh, what's this one?
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, read it.
I
Uh-huh.
feel.
Uh-huh.
I
Uh-huh.
feel
Uh-huh.
hot.
Good job. Okay, you're doing amazing. Okay, what's this one?
I
Yeah.
feel.
Uh-huh.
I feel sad.
Oh, feel sad. Okay, good job. Ooh, what's this one?
Wait.
What's this one?
I
Uh-huh.
feel
Uh-huh. What's this one?
sad. Cold.
Yeah, cold. Ooh, what is this one? Are you feeling this one right now? What's this one?
I
Mm-hmm.
feel
Uh-huh. What's this one? Say it.
tired.
Tired. Yes, you feel tired. Good night, EJ. Ooh, what about this one? What's this one? Sit up, please. EJ, sit up. Okay, so what's this one? Sit up, please.
Here, Mom. Here, Mommy.
Okay, read it again.
Mom.
Read it again.
Wow.
I.
I
Uh-huh.
feel
Uh-huh.
mouth.
Smart. Good job. Okay, what about this one? What does this one say?
I
Uh-huh.
feel
Uh-huh.
strong.
Show me that you have strong muscles. Show me. Show me your arms. Good job. Alrighty. So you see,
Bye,
kids.
guys. Hey, wait.
Oh, not yet. Not yet. Oh, you want to read the other one? Okay, we will read the other one. All right. So you see, kids, all you have to learn is the word I feel.
No,
Say it with me.
I
They can't see you.
I
Feel.
feel.
Say it again.
Feel.
I. Say it again.
Feel.
Say it again.
I
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
feel.
Good job. Give me 5. Alrighty. Alright.
Away.
So, class is dismissed and see you on our next video. Okay, hang up, EJ.
No.
Okay, so back to our lesson. So the first word we're going to be learning is the word I. But some of you may know the alphabet already. So you know this is the letter I. The one that's squared in red. So every time you see I in the sentence, you say I. So read it, EJ.
I feel.
Feel. Here, read it. You couldn't really see, so here, read it. Read it. Read it.
I